Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Amazon Q Developer in Eclipse IDE. So open the Eclipse IDE, then go on this help, then here Eclipse Marketplace. So you need to click on this Eclipse Marketplace, and there currently this is all processing, downloading some files, and now there it's ready. So thereafter, simply you need to write there Amazon and let's include Q. Amazon Q. You need to search. Then that's here Amazon Q 2.0. This come from Amazon Web Service. Now you need to click on this install button. So install button and click on this I accept finish. So this here installing the software. Check this and now click on this trust. So here you can see installing software 60%, that's so done, and now this done here. After that restart this. Now this restart, and here you can see this here project. Thereafter this place here you can see this is Amazon Q, and simply you need to click this, then click on this allow. So after allowing here, this is there. So you have this two option, use pro or free. Selecting there or free, then click on this continue. Then this open there AWS. There you need to click on this allow. This succeeded. Thereafter this here you can see acknowledge, and now you can ask any question there. So active file, and here going to ask there give dice code in Java. Press enter. Then this is the dice code is there. So you have this option. You can make this bigger. You can copy this code. Let's use this. And now there I'm going to paste. So since here the file name is test, so we need to include there test there. There going to include test, and this here this is constructor test. Now Control S to save. Then here let's close this chat, and now going to run. So roll 6, press enter, and now if I rerun here, roll 5, rerun, rolls 1, this is displaying 1 by 1. Amazon Q is there. Now let's click on this new tab. Now here you can write any query. Let's write there hi. This you can get or hi there. Let's include there how to learn Java. So this all here you can see this all info you can get there. So by clicking this here you can see this all that's come there. So this is how we can install this Amazon Q developer in Eclipse IDE. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.